Hi everyone! Welcome to Tinker Day! Today we're making fire-breathing dragons. Ooh! Super fun! So, for this project, here's what you're gonna need. A toilet paper tube, or a tube. Some craft paper, or the waxy colored paper kind of stuff. And 2 big pom-poms. 2 small pom-poms, 2 googly eyes, and some glue. Everything that you need will be in the awesome bags that Miss Meg has prepared for you that you can grab at the library. So first we're going to start with the tube. We're going to take off the lid of our glue, and we are going to put some glue on the big pom-pom. Just a little dollop will do. You're going to take the first one and place it towards the top of the tube as you're holding it. Just like that. You're going to take the second pom-pom and do the same thing. Just space them out because this is where the eyes are going to be for your dragon. Alright. So there we go. That's where our eyes are going to be for our dragon. Then you're going to take your googly eyes. You're going to put a dollop of glue on there. You'll stick it on so that when the dragon's eyes are at the back towards where you're going to put your mouth, you will just stick them on so that he's facing forward. Or she. You can do it with the second eye too. Just gonna stick them on there. Give them some googly eyes. And then before you start shaking them around, because the googly eyes are super fun, let that glue dry. Otherwise those eyes are gonna go flying. Then he won't be able to see. Alright, then we're taking our smaller pom-poms. Oops, forgot one. And we're gonna put them for his nose. So you're just going to put a little dollop of glue on this one. And you're going to put it on his little nose. Right there. Across from where his eyes are. You can even make his little nose touch depending on what you want his nose to look like. So far, this is what mine looks like. I just glued this nostril on right next to it. You're going to put the nostrils on the other side of the tube from where you did your eyes. Or closer up, depending on how you want his nose to look. It's totally up to you. Be as creative as you want. And we're going to stick the nostril on there. Look at his little face! I want to shake him so that his eyes wiggle around, but my glue's not dry yet, so that's probably not a good idea. So then, we're going to take our paper. And what you're going to do is you're going to put glue on it and put the paper on the side where you put the nose. Alright? So I'm going to do that really quick. And you're just going to put a dollop of glue. And then you want to put the glue on the one side, and the side that has the glue is going to go inside the mouth. And then you're just going to stick it up in there. And you can use as many pieces as you want. I'm just going to use a couple. So that it looks like he's breathing fire. See, I got 2 pieces in there. And show you, you're going to stick them inside. So there's his nose, and then inside is where the paper goes. Alright. He is coming together. What do you think? Looks pretty fierce, right? So once you're all done with that, and you let it dry a little bit, you can just and that's your fire-breathing dragon. I hope you guys have a lot of fun making these. This was really fun for me. I think this is a really cool idea, especially with our fairy tale theme this summer. So here is your fire breathing dragon. And feel free to decorate it however you want. You can draw patterns on it, because what's really cool about the ones that Miss Meg gave us is that they are white. So you can color them, you can paint them, you can draw things, you can put stickers on them. So you can make your dragon as cool as you want it to be. Or you can just leave it plain. I decided to leave mine plain because I don't have any crayons. But we would love to see some pictures of your Tinker Day creation. Please tag us at WCPL Youth on Instagram and Facebook. Have fun, guys!